Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to delete an external bank account from Capital One checking account. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, click on your Capital One 360 checking account. On this page, you will see an option for Account Services and Settings. Click on Account Services and Settings. A pop-up window will appear wherein you could see a section for Settings and Help. Under Settings and Help, you will see an option for Manage External Accounts. Click on Manage External Accounts. On this page, you will see a section for your external accounts. To proceed, click on the edit icon beside the external account you wish to remove. A pop-up window will appear from which you can see an option for Remove Account. Click on Remove Account. Now it will ask you if you're sure to remove it. To continue, click on the Remove Account button. And now you will see a message saying that you've successfully removed this account. That's how you delete an external bank account from Capital One checking account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.